going to learn some exercises. They are called passive exercises for pain in the shoulder pain. It's passive range of motion. For example, if you just got a surgery in your shoulder, or if you have pain, or also if you feel like your movements are restricted, like bringing your arm up is getting harder, scratching your back is getting harder. So these movements are going to be very helpful for you. So the first thing that you're going to do is called the pendulum exercise. So you're going to rest your arm on a countertop or a table, and then the body is going to move the arm to the front, to the back, to the front, to the back, to the front, to the back. No, the arm moving by itself. This is not doing any good for the arm because we are trying to do a passive movement. In that way, the arm works less and at the same time is able to trust the movement. At this moment, the arm is feeling unsafe. So you need to do things that the arm feels safe to move. Okay, and then you're going to go to the left, to the right. So it's my body that is moving my arm. Left to the right, left to the right, left to the right. And again, now another movement that you're going to do are circles. So I move my body in a way that I make my arm go in circles. You can do 60 seconds of each. And now opposite direction. Clockwise, countertop. I think wise how they call it. Okay. So right there are the pendulum exercises. Are great if you're having pain in your shoulder, it's getting stiff. And then we have to go with the passive movement. So imagine this is your bed, right? You're lying down. So movements that I want you to do, they have to be passive. Passive means the injured shoulder doesn't move. It's the opposite arm that's going to move the shoulder. So you're going to get something like this, right? And what you're going to do, you're going to bring, with the arm that doesn't hurt, you're going to bring the other arm up to the point that you feel some restriction. You can do two ways. You can go up and down, and remember the movement, they have to be pain-free. This is a good warm-up for the joint, so it's going to increase circulation, it's going to nurture that joint and make it more flexible. And another way that you can do is just you go, and as soon as you feel like it's stuck, you stay there for 60 seconds. Okay. The other one is you're going to put your arms and shoulder in the same alignment. And what you're going to do again, the arm that doesn't hurt is going to move the opposite arm. Let's think that this arm is hurting. So this is like a falling asleep, and this is going to do the whole work. And you're going to bring it to the side. Remember, always pain-free movements. And this is a good warm-up. And like I tell you, you can do 10 repetitions, 15 repetitions of this. And then, if you want, you hold it 60 seconds. This is abduction, ABD. Okay, now we're going to work in the rotations. The rotations, they tend to be restricted most of the time when we have pain. So what are you going to do? You're going to rest your elbows on the bed. Remember, this is a bed. So what you're going to do, we're going to bring the arm that doesn't hurt down. And what is going to happen, this arm is going to bring the other arm up. The left arm, like you can tell, is not moving. What is moving it is the help of this one. So you do 10 repetitions and then you hold it 60 seconds. Then we're going to do the same thing. This time, this arm is going to go up, this arm is going to go down, like in a diagonal. And again, this arm is not doing anything. It's like you can close your eyes and you just feel the movement, okay? So what you're going to do is increasing the range of motion. So what you're going to focus is to try to bring, feel that the arm is going down toward the table or the bed, okay? And you hold it, after 10, 15 repetitions, you hold it 60 seconds. Repeat. When you go this way, you want to bring the arm this way. This will be the goal. But these movements are the ones that always are more effective when we have pain discomfort. And one more, don't forget that we have a muscle, the biceps, that has two connections. And the most important thing, connect with the shoulder. So every movement that you do with your elbows are going to benefit the shoulder. So what can you do? Even with the same, something like this, you're going to do this movement. This is really going to help you with those shoulders. Okay, I hope you like these videos and keep those shoulders healthy. Remember, with life, with age, with exercises, depend what you did in life, your shoulders are going to start giving you signs. One of the first signs that you're going to have is lack of movement, especially when you reach, you feel that you have like to arch your back to reach. Or when you're going to do this with your pants, you feel like the arm doesn't go up. So those are the first signs. So keep moving the shoulders, keep moving, because that way you delay the degenerative process of the joints. Okay, my sweet people, I hope you like this video. Please keep doing your exercises, do it daily, like brushing your teeth, and you will have always healthy shoulders. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels, write some comments if you have. I'm here, I am here to help you. Dr. Alex, Doctor of Physical Therapy, or Dr. Charles.